my goodness! Where is my favorite shiny bracelet today? What is wrong, Emma? Did you lose something very important?
Yes, my beautiful bracelet is completely missing from my desk. I saw Lily walking near your desk a minute ago. Really? I didn't notice. I was just getting some colorful paper for my craft.
Are you sure you did not see Emma's shiny bracelet?
I promise you, I did not see it or touch it. But it was right here, and now it is totally gone.
Maybe Lily took it because it looks so very pretty.
No, that is not true. I would never take it.
Well, nobody else was standing near Emma's desk this morning.
I didn't do it, Mia. Please believe me. I am telling you the honest truth.
I just want my favorite bracelet back right now, please. What is going on here? Why is everyone so loud?
Teacher, my favorite bracelet is missing from my desk today.
Let us calm down. We will find it together soon. We think Lily took it because she was right there. We must not accuse anyone without seeing the real proof. But Lily was the only one standing near the desk.
I am feeling very sad because nobody is believing me.
Everyone, please go back to your seats for a moment.
I am so sad. I really loved that shiny bracelet. I want to go home. I do not like this. If you have it, you should just give it back.
I did not take anything. Why are you saying that?
We just want to help Emma find her lost bracelet.
You are making me cry. You are being very mean. Lily, come here. Let us talk in the quiet corner.
Teacher, I did not take Emma's bracelet. I promise you.
I know you are upset, Lily. I will help you.
They think I am a bad person, and it hurts.
I will find the truth. Do not worry about them. Lily, you look very sad today. What happened at school?
They think I stole Emma's beautiful bracelet this morning.
Honey, I know you would never do that. Oh no, my sweet girl. That is a terrible misunderstanding. I do not want to go back to school tomorrow. If you did nothing wrong, you do not need to hide.
But they all look at me like I am bad. Sweetie, nobody thinks you are bad.
The truth will come out. You must be very brave.
Okay, Mom. I will go to school and be brave. Emma, can you tell me exactly what happened yesterday morning? A loud noise came from the hallway. Then I heard a crash. I put my bracelet in my desk before we left.
Did you close the desk drawer quickly or very slowly?
I closed it very quickly because the bell was ringing.
And Leo, what did you see when you looked over?
I just saw Lily walking past the desk very fast.
Walking past the desk does not mean she took it.
We all went outside right after Emma put it away.
Then anyone could have been near the desk at that time.
I did not think about that. Maybe it fell down.
Let us stop guessing and start searching the classroom together.
Okay. I will check near the bookshelf and the reading corner. I will look near the windows and the big door. I will help look too, so we can find it. Thank you, Lily. I am sorry for making you sad.
Look at this colorful piece of paper behind the desk.
That is the paper I used for my beautiful craft.
This means things can fall behind the desk very easily.
Do you think the bracelet fell behind the desk too?
Let me pull the desk out and look very carefully.
I see something shiny hiding in the dark corner there.
You are right, Mia. There is something on the floor.
Is it my favorite shiny bracelet? Please let it be.
Yes, it is. Your beautiful bracelet was here all along.
Oh, I am so happy. But I feel very bad.
We were totally wrong. Lily did not take the bracelet.
We should not have said those mean things to her. Lily, I am so sorry for thinking you took it. It's okay, Emma, I understand. It made me very sad when you did not ask. I know. I was just scared because I lost it. We are very sorry, Lily. We should have trusted you. Can you please forgive us for being so mean yesterday? Yes, I forgive you. Let us just be friends again.
This is a very important lesson for all of us.
We must always find the truth before we blame someone. I will never accuse anyone without knowing the real truth. And we should always search carefully before getting very upset.
I am very proud of you for fixing your mistake.
I am glad we found it. Now we can play. Let us go finish our beautiful crafts together right now.
Wow!
Thank you for saying sorry to me. I feel much better now.
I promise I will never jump to a bad conclusion again, Lily. This is a great moment for our class to learn together today.
We need a brand new rule for our classroom starting right now.
What kind of new rules should we have in our class, teacher?
That's a great question, Mia.
If something is missing, we will all search for it together first.
And we will not say mean things without seeing any real proof. That is a very good rule for everyone in our class, teacher. Thank you, Emma. I want to make a special colorful sorry card just for Lily. I will draw a beautiful picture for you too, my dear Lily. You guys are so sweet. I love my friends very, very much.
I am very happy to see everyone smiling and being kind again.
Let me help you finish your pretty paper craft right now, Lily. Thank you, Emma.
Let's make the most beautiful craft ever today.
Look at my cool blue paper star. Do you really like it? I do. It's really cool. Wow, it is amazing. You did a really great job today, Leo.
Always remember to be honest, kind, and trust your good friends forever.
I am so happy that my school day is wonderful once again. We are best friends forever, and nothing will ever change that now. I know. I'm so happy.
Have a wonderful afternoon, everyone. See you all tomorrow for our class.